Hello everyone, my name is Anurag and today I am going to work on the 8th experiment of System Software and Compiler Lab. So the aim is to simulate the concept of absolute loader. Let's go on to the description part. An absolute loader is a simple loader which performs loading processes and need not to perform linking and process relocation algorithm. So initially what we are doing, we are reading the header record, then we are verifying the name and length of the program. Then after that read the first text record from the input file, then process the following steps until the end record is reached. If object code is character form is in character form, then convert it into a hexadecimal representation, then move the object code to the specified location in memory. Then after that read next text record from the input file one by one until it reaches the end record and move them one by one to a specified location. If it reaches the end record, close the files. Okay, let's go on to the program part. Okay, initially we have declared all the required header files and all the variables to be used. Then after that what we are doing, we are creating a function string add with a parameter string, that to string and integer. Then after that what we are doing is we are accepting the we are reading the input file, which is input1.txt, and we are transferring all the files to the array. Then what we are doing first, sorry, it is not transferring it to array. Initially what we are doing is we are using while loop to find the end of the file, and then after that we are using getLine function to get each and every line from the program and transfer it to the line array, as we can see here. Then this is just a main step. Then for the output, what we are okay, for the output part, what we are doing, we are first using the for loop to calculate I. Then after that we are then displaying the program name. Then after that we are using we are reading the input file. So in input file there will be different parts, like I will show you. See, like H, T, T and E. So when it will come to H, see, when the program when the character reaches H, then the program will be then this function will be initiated. Also else if the next character is T, then this function will be executed, and if the character is E, then this part of the program will be executed. Then moving ahead, what we are doing, we are then using a string function, a string add function to calculate to display the cases. As here we can see case A, B, C, D, E, and after that what we are doing, we are also using this part to calculate the hexadecimal values. Then earlier to this let's move on to the working part of the program. Okay, first we will compile the program. Okay, then we have compiled the program. Let's go on to the input part. Okay, this is the input sample program, H sample. This is the object, this is the address codes, and now let's move on to the working part of the program. Okay. See, now we can see the input file has been displayed here, and the output is here. The program name is sample. As we can see here, using this header, we can see the name of the program is sample. Then after that, this is the object codes of the program. This is the object code. As we can see clearly, it is defined here. Let me see. Okay, now let's move on. So finally we have performed the absolute loader. We have simulated the absolute loader and the output is obtained. So this will be the last of it. Thank you.